Hello everybody, Brandy Furlan here with the Furlan Group at Keller Williams Classic in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Well, actually right now I'm in sunny Anna Maria Island, which is just north of Longboat Key. Beautiful island here, you guys. If you haven't been out to Anna Maria, you've got to come. Amazing restaurants, new pier being built. This property that I'm going to take you through is at 505 South Bay. They have used it as an investment home / second home. They bring in about $100,000 a year in income, rental income. It has the potential of bringing in about $200,000 in income based on the area and the numbers. These owners in particular just don't rent it full time. So I'm going to take you through this property. First, I wanted to share with you, like I did last week, I've been doing for the last few weeks, sharing the market updates of what's going on in our county, Sarasota County and Manatee County. So I'm going to share some numbers with you guys. Currently we have about 6,974 properties on the market. That is up only 1% from the week before. So these numbers I'm going to give you now are only for the last 7 days of what's been going on. So the week before last, we had 300 new listings come on the market. This past 7 days, 386 new listings came on the market. That's up 22%, you guys. So 22% up with new listings that have gone on the market. So as you can see, the real estate market is quite hot. People still want to sell. And more importantly, 464 new contracts went into escrow. So the week prior to that was 438. That's up 6%. Now with closings, this is an astounding number of an increase of 29%. It was 342 properties that closed over 2 weeks ago. The last 7 weeks, 482 properties closed escrow. You guys, this is such great news because that means the lenders are still funding, money is still out there, interest rates are amazing, and people still want to buy and sell. So just keep those numbers in mind. Now let's go back to this property. So each week when I do my market update, I'm going to highlight a specific property, either that's coming soon. I apologize, I think I'm shaking too much here. I need to get a selfie stick. I know. But anyway, this property behind me, 505. So each week that I do a market update, I'm going to highlight a new property. Either it's coming soon or it's already on the market or we get a price reduction, whatever it is. So I'm going to turn this around and take you guys through it. All right, here we go, you guys. So we're at 505 South Bay. We are directly across from the bay, and so you have views from both balconies of the water and of the Skyline Bridge going over to St. Pete. So you have 2 single-car garages, and you access on the first floor. So I'm going to take you through. This house is 3,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. There's 4 balconies. So when you come in here, I'm going to take you through this like a virtual walkthrough. And of course we are scheduling showings, so if you'd like to see this home, we would love to meet you out here. We're wearing our gloves and our masks and all that to make sure everybody is safe. So it's just a simple 1-car garage on this side. And this one has room for golf cart parking and doors that go out the back, which I love, so you can launch your kayak off of your very own dock. So there's a dock with a boat lift off here. I'll take you back and show you. There's an elevator, so no need to climb the stairs, just take the elevator. Hey April. Hey guys, thanks for joining. Please throw up a thumbs up or a heart if you guys like what you see. So this property, again, we're at 505 South Bay on Anna Maria. They have a boat lift, boat dock, heated saltwater pool. Hey Kurt, long time no see, man. Thank you. Oh, let me show you also there is a double gate here. You can pull your boat in straight back to the dock. This property has such an amazing space for entertaining, relaxing. Like I said, they use it primarily as a second home part, very little time, mostly renting it out. But if they rented it out full time, you could see a substantial, oops, sorry guys, gotta do both knobs on this door here. You can see substantial increase in rental income. Currently they're bringing in around $100,000. Take you guys upstairs. With potential of about $200,000 rental income for those of you that just joined us. This property is listed at 1.65. I know some of you just joined. It's 3,200 square feet. As you can see, you just walk right up into the kitchen, family room area. Very open layout. Perfect for entertaining. Can you just see yourselves in here? There's 2 islands, gas cooktop, all stainless steel appliances, nice solid wood light cabinets, wine fridge. Who doesn't need a wine fridge? So this house is custom built in 2014. Like I said, it's 5 bedroom, 5 bathrooms. 3 of the rooms are en suite with their own bathroom. One has sort of an en suite with a pocket door, but also open to company. I'm going to take you off the front balcony to show you guys the view here. And this is just from the first or second level. There is a house being built right across the way. However, once it's fully built, from here you'll be able to still see the water. From the next balcony you'll absolutely see the water. It's a great neighborhood. Like most beach communities, it's a mixture of brand new customs, little beach bungalows, whatever you like, but it still has that small beach town feel, which I love. And Anna Maria is redoing their pier, so that'll be really nice. Here is one of the bedrooms on this level, decent size. Bathroom. Again, the elevator is right there. How convenient is that? Right off to the kitchen. Hey Leah. Hey Jeanette. Hey guys. What do you guys think? Make some comments. Let's get your feedback while we're walking through. I love it. Again, this is 505 South Bay. It's 3,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. 3 of the rooms have their own bathroom. I'll take you guys out to the top balcony and show you the views. Here's another bedroom with its own bathroom. This one has a walk-in closet. Everything is tastefully done. It's custom made, custom built, 2014. There's a tub in one of the bedrooms. The rest are showers, except for the master has a walk-in shower. So again, we're walking through the kitchen area. Just want to show you how open this is. I mean, it's just amazing. I love the openness, the high ceilings. This is listed at 1.65. Take you guys upstairs. There's an elevator, thankfully. There's, for those of you just joining here, there's a boat dock off the back with a lift. Double gate for your boat. Here's the master bedroom. Hey, Jeanette. I do too. All the rooms are nicely spread out. I'm going to take you to the glass. It's kind of windy, so I'm not opening the door, but take a look at that. Who could not wake up every morning to this view? Amazing. And it's a nice wide canal. So there's one thing that's important. You want to make sure that you have a lot of space to turn that boat around. Especially if you're not an experienced boat rider like myself. So all the homes are nicely spaced from each other. Here's the walk-in closet. Master bath. It's nice to have the garden tub. 2 sinks. Huge walk-in shower. I know the views are amazing, aren't they? How often do you guys come out to Anna Maria? You got to come visit if you're from out of town, which I know some of you are that are on here. Got to make a trip out here. The beaches are beautiful. The restaurants are great. Restaurants are right on the beach, which is a must-have for me. Sit and have your Mai Tais or Bloody Marys sitting right on the sand. In fact, Gulf Drive Cafe is one of my favorites with Lobster Benedict right on the beach. So here's the view from the top floor. Stunning, isn't it? Even when that house is built across the way, you're still going to have knockout views. And I'm not sure if you could see, we've got a landscaper down there, not sure if you can see the Skyway Bridge. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm not sure if it'll work. Can you guys see it? The Skyway Bridge takes you over to St. Pete. At nighttime, it's all lit up. It's stunning. In fact, we may do some extra shots on that, all lit up for at nighttime. You can see, I mean, this is just so beautiful. The bridge is right down the street. Oh, the pier, I'm sorry. They're building a brand new Anna Maria Pier. If you guys Google or research, or when this property goes live tomorrow, go to my website, thefurlinggroup.com, and take a look at the pictures. We're going to have pictures of the old pier, but it'll give you a pretty good idea of how cool it is with restaurants and, you know, bait and tackle and fishing stuff and all that good food. So this was the loft that we walked into. I'm sorry, I don't think I mentioned. It's kind of like a bonus room. Let me zoom that back out again. Bonus room there. Again, the elevator. And that is it for this house, you guys. Any comments, any feedback? Please share this with all of your friends, family. Even if you don't think they would want to move here or buy an investment property or a second home in Anna Maria, send them this because it will change their mind. So there we are. What do you guys think? Awesome property. I'm so excited about it. The sellers are amazing. They've enjoyed personally themselves a lot of great years here, and you know, they've rented it. They get great income. They have so many great letters and notes from their tenants, how happy they were here, how much they enjoyed the space. So if you guys have any interest, or if you know anyone who's interested, please share this video. I'm going to share it to Facebook, and send me a message. Let me know if we can help get this home sold for these wonderful people. Thanks so much. Again, it's 1.65, 505 South Bay is the address, 3,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Again, I'm Brandy Ferlin, Keller Williams, and the Ferlin Group, and thefurlinggroup.com is the website, so check it out and let me know if you guys want to see more pictures. Have a great day.